Hi, I'm Rishi from DP Review, and we're with Canon today to talk about Canon's latest additions to their EOS lineup, namely the EOS 5DS and 5D-SR. These cameras come with 53 megapixel CMOS sensors that yield 50.6 effective megapixels of resolution. These are the highest resolution full-frame sensors currently available and are offered in two camera bodies, the 5DS with an anti-aliasing filter and the 5D-SR with an anti-aliasing canceling filter, for those willing to take the risk of additional moire for a bit more sharpness. Following Canon's recent trend of a consistent user experience across their Pro-line cameras, the 5DS and 5D-SR bodies remain essentially the same as a 5D Mark III. For those wondering about the noise and dynamic range performance of these high megapixel cameras, Canon claims that pixel-level noise is similar to the recent 7D Mark II, while raw dynamic range performance is similar to the 5D Mark III. Hence, we wouldn't expect class-leading levels of dynamic range, which may be a concern to landscape photographers. Low-light shooters should be aware that Canon has capped the maximum ISO at 12,800, presumably to meet some image quality threshold at the pixel level. Canon has also made improvements to the autofocus and metering systems. The 5DS and 5D-SR borrow the 61-point AF module from the 5D Mark III and complement it with information from a 150,000 pixel RGB plus IR metering sensor that understands the scene and aids in subject tracking and face recognition. To make the most of these incredibly high-resolution cameras, Canon offers a couple of features to maximize sharpness. The mirror mechanism has been redesigned and is now motor-driven like the 7D Mark II to minimize shake caused by mirror slap. Canon has also updated the mirror-up options to automatically initiate exposure after a pre-selected delay. 5 delays are available, ranging from 1/8 of a second up to 2 seconds. The delays allow for mirror vibrations to dampen before the shutter goes up to initiate the exposure. The option for shorter, tailored delays is nice. Essentially, you can select the shortest possible delay that is long enough to dampen sharpness-reducing mirror vibrations, but is no longer than is necessary. Unfortunately, in these modes, a mechanical shutter is still used to start the exposure, so the shutter still remains a potential source of shake. While the Canon 5DS and 5D-SR cameras are all about resolution, if 50 megapixels is too much for you, you'll have the option to shoot medium and small-sized RAW files at 28 and 12.4 megapixels. We look forward to putting this camera and the 5D-SR through its paces in our lab and real-world testing. For more about the camera and all things digital photography, please visit our website, www.dpreview.com.